Alright, taco fans, guess what we have here today? We got our order in from Goat Armor. I ended up ordering the black multicam digicam pattern to put on the truck, not only to protect the truck from future scratches, but to also hopefully hide some scratches. Currently got a lot of trail rash that I would like to hide and protect any further trail rash. This pattern looks awesome. I can't wait to get it on the truck. First, I gotta wash the truck to make sure no dust or grime is underneath this, and then we're gonna get this baby on. Alright, now that we have the truck all nice and clean, it's time to get the armor on. Looks like I gotta start with the driver's side first, since that's the first pattern up.
Flying by away from them, and no one can see me now. I'm miles above you, don't care what they're saying below, 'cause I'm miles above, I'm miles above you.
Got the driver's side on. It was that easy. As you can see, it looks pretty sick. Now it's time to get the passenger side on and it'll be done. We'll get to check out the truck with all sides covered.
No one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying by. Away from them. And no one can see me now. I'm miles above you. Don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above. I'm miles above you.
Alright, I got the passenger side done as well. Now everything's covered up and ready. Alright, since we just saw how easy this stuff is to install, it's time to test it out with the key test. This stuff doesn't only look good, it's actually pretty strong. Took it out on the trail and it held up really well. But just to show you how strong it is, we're going to take a key to it and see how it does. Now, you shouldn't be hitting anything on the trails that's this sharp or is going to push down on the paint as hard as I'm going to push down on this paint. But this is just to show you that even with a lot of force, it's not going to break through. And if it does, you're hitting something a lot harder than a branch. Alright, let's try this out. Alright, so I pushed down with a lot of force, and you saw, of course, the outside layer with this sharp edge is gonna get some damage to it. But with all the force I pushed down on, it still didn't break it and come through the other end. So if this was your paint on the other side or your truck, it'll be fine, and the armor is the only thing that's actually getting damaged on it. So this is pretty impressive, something that's that easy to install and is going to hold up pretty well. So I'm excited to keep this on and just keep enjoying the trails without ruining my paint, at least further than it's already ruined. So I hope you enjoy the video, and definitely go check out Goat Armor. They have some awesome patterns. I love the way the truck came out, and I can't say anything but great stuff about the customer service and the product itself and the way everything looks. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video.